Is your YouTube app not updating or showing old features on Android? Don't worry, this quick guide, I'll show you update the YouTube app on Android in 2006 and fix old version problems in just a few seconds. Let's jump right in. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the official app store where you can download and update all your apps safely. Once you're inside, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type YouTube and hit search. After a few seconds, you'll see the YouTube app appear in the results. Tap on it to open the app page. Here you will see different options like open or uninstall. If there is an update button, that means a new version is available for your device. Just tap on the update button and wait while the system downloads and installs the latest version. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the process completes smoothly. Once it's finished, your YouTube app will be fully updated and any bugs, lag, or old version issues should be fixed instantly. And that's it, guys. Your YouTube app is now up to date and running smoothly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick Android tips.